Hey, welcome back to the channel and to the new viewers. Today we're going to be touring one of Central Florida's most popular home model floor plans for any new construction over the last about 10 years. This construction is by DR Horton. It's a Cali model, which is a 4.2, but we're going to show you why so many people have chosen this home versus other models here recently. So now let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Hi, I'm Charlie Peterson. I'm a local real estate agent here in the North Orlando market, covering from Orlando to the beaches along the I-4 corridor, helping you with your relocation needs. If you're considering moving here to the Orlando area, go ahead and text us here on the phone number on the screen. And for current price and availability on this home itself, because it is a current listing of ours, go ahead and reach out to that same phone number. So walking up in this particular home, you're going to notice the nice landscaping they've done here. They've touched it up with black mulch here, making the vegetation and the landscaping really pop. They've also added gutters here on the home too. Now, one of the things with this Cali model is it does have a 2-car garage, and then this home has a decent sized driveway too, so you could easily fit a couple of vehicles and a couple of vehicles within the garage as well. Like I said earlier, this is one of the most popular home floor plans. It is 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, over 1,800 square feet. Again, most of these are going to be newer homes within about the last 10 years that DR Horton really started making the Cali model. Now coming in here, obviously you've got the foyer, you've got a great coat closet here in the front for shoes, storage, whatever you need here. Nice foyer, you can have a drop table right here if you need. And then there's 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom right here towards the front of the home. So you'll notice the arrangement of the bedroom is very convenient, and it's far away from the primary bedroom. So it's kind of like a split floor plan. Each room is, decently sized here. You're gonna be roughly a 10 by 11, 10 by 12, depending on how you measure it. Now, DR Horton, they build a shower. A lot of people are gonna rag on this, and the shower itself, let me tell you, we've had one of these, super easy to clean. It's not as hard to maintain, just like grout. Some people love it, some people hate it. So not for everybody, but you got granite countertops in all of the bathrooms in the kitchen area. Another bedroom right here. Moving on here in the rest of the house, you have another closet, great for storage, garage door access, HVAC, laundry room, and then the 3rd bedroom right here. Now this is gonna be the biggest bedroom out of the 3 guest bedrooms. Again, it's got a built-in closet, but it's gonna be the more spacious version and kind of set off on its own. We've had people use this as a nursery, people use this as an office space because it's kind of on its own little section. One of the great features about this home real quick is that it does have a 240 volt EV charger already wired into the electrical panel here in the garage. So if you've got an electric car, it is already tied in for that, making an easy transition to help make sure your car is staying charged in your new home. And then here in the kitchen, this is gonna be the main living space. So you've got just a phenomenal kitchen area, again, granite countertops, and it is opened up to the rest of the home. Great for entertaining. So here in the kitchen, you've got all new stainless steel appliances, original to the build at 2019. And then you've got a great pantry. A lot of people love the size of these pantries because you can fit a lot in here. It's a great corner space. So leaving the kitchen here, we've got the dining space right here. Obviously there's a chandelier. And then you do have this great room right here open to the kitchen area. This is great for entertaining because you can have everybody all in one central location rather than dispersed out. Now heading to the back patio lanai area, you've got 2 portions. They did a great job in this particular home. They extended the lanai right here, the paver section. And then you do have a section with the rock hardscapes too, helping keep that dirt and everything cleaner on the interior of the home. Fenced in backyard is phenomenal. You've got some oak trees that are growing in here still, but a great setup. Now, real quick, right before we get into the primary bedroom, one of the reasons why this Cali model has become so popular amongst home buyers here locally in the Central Florida area is because of the affordability of these compared to other 4-bedroom size homes. Now, this particular home is going to be the most affordable within Victoria Oaks as of the recording of this video. It's located in the southeast side of DeLand in Victoria Park, which is about 25 minutes away to New Smyrna Beach, and then you're about 35 to 40 minutes away from downtown Orlando, depending on traffic. Could be even shorter than that too. Phenomenal location. Neighborhood here, and the HOA fee includes irrigation, cable TV, internet, and 3 different community pools and gyms as well. But the Cali model here has so many different amenities to it at an affordable price, and that has made it become one of the more popular options to choose from. All right, so coming in here, this is gonna be the primary bedroom. We've got a generously sized 13 by 15 room here, plenty of space for furniture, a king size bed. You could fit end tables and TVs in here. You've got a nice upgraded fan. And then coming in here, you have the glass shower there. And then again, it is kind of that plastic tub insert. Some people love it, some people hate it. From personal experience, super easy to keep clean. Dual vanities here. You've got a great storage closet right here. Of course, you've got your water closet here with the toilet. And then you do have a generously sized closet too. This is a true walk-in. You can fit a lot of furniture in here with some great storage options. You've got outlets up top too. So one thing DR Horton did is they added some outlets here, becoming a very popular option for home internet, Wi-Fi boxes, cable boxes, routers, everything like that. Home security systems could be all routed right there. Thank you so much for watching. Should you have any questions about relocating here, affordability, or what the actual prices of this home is at the moment, text us at the phone number on the screen. We'll get back to you as soon as we can.